What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute Christmas stocking. Let's begin on the right side of our page with the bow. We'll start by drawing an oval from the very top, come all the way around toward the bottom, and then up. From the top of that oval, we're going to draw the ribbon going up toward the left, come around and then in, and then we'll draw the bottom half, coming around and then up. Let's take this shape and flip it over on the right. So we'll start from the very top right, draw the top half, and then the bottom. Let's add a fold across the bottom. From here, we're going to go out and then down. Then we'll move up and add a fold, going up and then out. Let's move down and draw the bottom of the ribbon from the center. It's out and then down on the left and right side. Draw a straight angle line going up and then out. And I'll follow that curve, tapering the ribbon up underneath. Now I'm going to layer the stocking in behind. So we're going to start from the top left side of the ribbon, draw a series of curves going around, and then out. I'm just going to work our way around the side, and then come down across the bottom, in towards the ribbon. Let's fill this gap with more curves, and then the bottom. We're going to go over toward the left side, draw the edge of the stocking coming straight down, go out towards the toe, round this out, and then pull that in. Now we're going to make our way up and then in underneath. Let's add a trim across the top, start with a curve, step down and then draw that again. And then we're going to add some stripes going across from left to right. Now we're going to separate the toe with a curve from top to bottom. Add some stitch lines across. I'm going to separate the heel and then add those same stitches. Now let's go back and fill the inside of the stocking. We're going to start with a gift over on the right side. Going up, angle this down, and then in. Let's add the ribbon. Start with two straight angle lines down the middle, and then we'll go across underneath. Let's move up to the top and add the bow, going up toward the left, and then pull that back in. I'm just going to trace this along the inside. Let's add a gingerbread man over on the right side. Start with a circle from top to bottom. Let's add the arm coming out from the left, round this out, and then pull that back in. Let's close off the right side. And then we're going to decorate the face. Start with the eyes, the two circles, and then give them a big smile, round at the corners, and we'll trace the mouth along the inside. Let's give them some eyebrows, and a couple buttons, and we'll add a trim across the arms. Now on the left side, we're going to add that candy cane. Start with the inside edge, curl this down, round up the end, and then trace that curve going around the outside. And then we'll add the stripes inside. Let's add another cookie in behind. Start from the very top, come down and up. Go back up to the top and draw on the right side. I'm going to add some magical glitter along the outside. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of a cute Christmas stocking. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.